Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Amazon Fire HD10 tablet. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. We do get a USB-C cable to USB-A, and we do get the power supply. So we are going to want to charge it because it doesn't come with much charge. It is a 9-watt power supply. I can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5.2 volts, 1.8 amps. Okay, the charging cable is 3 feet long. The USB-C port, now they consider this to be the top. There's the power button, volume, mic, a USB-C headphone jack. Here's what the bottom, left side, and then the right side. So let's plug it in and get it charged up, and we're going to turn it on. Hit the power button. So now it is turned on. On the back side, it does have a camera and some speakers, looks like on the left-hand side. Okay, we're going to select English. Okay, so there is a update available. We're going to hit update now. Okay, so it does have Alexa is hands-free on the tablet, it says. It's listening. Wow, it's got a really clear display. I did turn the brightness up, but that is very, very clear. I like it. Okay, so headphone jack, power button, volume, charging. Right here, there is also a expandable storage. You can put a micro USB or a micro SD card in there. So I really like this button. That's the device. These are all my smart devices. There's a dashboard. There's a quick button. Oh, wow, that is super neat. So if there's apps you want to install, click on the App Store. Yeah, this is just a really, really nice tablet. Let's go over overall dimensions. 6.5 by about 9 5/8 or 9 3/4. It's not very thick. About 3/8 of an inch thick. It's not super heavy either, but that's a very clear screen. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.